Let me check the microphone. Okay. Let me check the stream. Okay, it is live. Today is 25 February, Wednesday. We took some nice long setup yesterday. Yesterday our bias was bullish because of this PDL sweep on Monday, and then ES divergence on Tuesday. ES took out this Monday low, Nasdaq did not. Also, we look at this structure. We expected price going higher after taking out this one, but we didn't rush for a setup. We went into lower time frames to find our entry pattern. One of them is over around here on 30-second chart, and it got stopped out, so we waited. After we waited, price presented us this fractal sweep setup. Entry was around here, stop loss was around here, first partials are here, and last runner was on this gap, maybe midpoint, but I closed it over here because I didn't want to carry the position too much, and I was gonna go to the gym. We ended that day like that, and today once again price looks bullish based on these simple moving averages and obviously the way price has been going. But today I will be more cautious about my bullish bias. Yesterday was more obvious, and yesterday price was on a good place to be bullish. Price was really close to these range lows. Let me show that range lows on 4-hour chart. This big range over here is our higher time frame range, and price was close to the lows of the range, right? These are the bottom places. So price also took an important liquidity point. We mentioned this kind of liquidity points in the previous live stream. Also, you can see the market structure video, market liquidity cycle on my channel to see more information about those. Right now it looks bullish, but as I said, it is getting close to it's right in the middle of this consolidation area, this area over here. I believe price might keep going higher, sweep the high of this consolidation area and take out this high too, and eventually hit this old weekly gap. This is my current target for higher time frames, for 4-hour and 1-hour. But still price might do some deep retracement before reaching to my targets, so I'm cautious. But I will take my setup if I see it. So let me check. This is our current weekly gap. No, this one. Excuse me. This one was from previous week. This one is current weekly gap. And I wouldn't be so surprised to see price taking out these highs on Wednesday and accumulating a bit, and then coming back to this gap on Thursday or maybe on Friday. I'm not exactly sure what is going to happen, but I wouldn't be surprised to see that price taking out these highs. Why these highs? Because these highs are on the middle of the range. If we draw just a Fibonacci, the highs are just on the middle of the range, and when price is consolidating, the swing points near the midpoint of the range are great liquidity pools. Also, when I look at the monthly chart, price swept previous monthly candlesticks January and December candlesticks. These are previous monthly lows. Price swept those. Also, this level is important, and if you look at it on 4-hour or daily, it looks like a pretty clean range, and we can see the reactions. So I believe this high is the closest target. I wouldn't be surprised to see this high taken. Also, this place is February open, this month's opening price, and it seems like price is coming back to that opening price, right? So after lows, received a reaction, coming back higher, came back higher, and eventually this might be the target. And look at where this February open is, right above this highs, and look at the weekly gap that I was mentioning, right? Old weekly gap from the first week of the February. I'll just check ES chart to see what this is doing. ES already hit that monthly open levels. Also, it also swept the lows. I don't care about ES price action currently too much because I only trade Nasdaq. ES is just something I check. ES already took this high. So there's a possibility to see a divergence, but I feel like price is going higher to take out these highs. I'm not sure if it will be today, but I would like to see it happening today. I would like to see price keep expanding. Price already reclaimed this current weekly gap and previous weekly gap. Seems quite bullish. And this moving averages are giving some nice information, right? All looks bullish, looking above price, leaving multiple imbalances after the market open. And I want to see the closure of this 15-minute chart. I want to see it closing bullish, and hourly chart too. Yeah, it seems very bullish. Momentum is quite high. It probably created our entry pattern on 15-second chart. One over here. This one is not very clean one. Yeah, no, in 15-second chart doesn't look so good. I will zoom out back to 1-minute chart. Hello, good morning, Money Glitch. Why your screen isn't in full screen mode? Just a second. Thank you for reminding me that. I think it's because of the short video I took yesterday. I'm actually using this one, but just give me a second. Why is it like this? Okay, I will have to close this live stream and open it back. Just give me some seconds and I will fix this.